This is the new Dell XPS 15 2-in-1 9575. This is their latest convertible laptop, hence why the 2-in-1. And with it comes a lot of improvement, and we have to say that this is indeed the fastest thin laptop for this form factor. For years, Dell have been perfecting the whole design of the XPS series, and for the XPS 15 9575 here, it is made out of pure aluminium. You can see that the lid here is solid and the back here is also solid, and it makes a fantastic music when you just run your finger across the whole grill behind. And yes, there are two fans underneath, which we will go through later. And opening up the laptop, you can see that Dell has made a fantastic looking laptop right here. This laptop comes with a very beautiful IPS LCD display, and it has full HD resolution, which is perfectly fine. You don't need 4K on a laptop. And with it, it comes with this Dell's Infinity Edge display with very slim bezels and also touchscreen, which I personally like a lot on the laptop, especially while on the go, because, well, the trackpad is actually pretty good on this laptop, but sometimes touch interface is much more convenient to use. As for the keyboard of this thing, well, Dell is actually using something called a magnetic levitation key switch. It feels pretty similar with the Apple butterfly switches, but with much more deeper travel distance, which I personally can get used to quite easily compared to the MacBooks. And you can see here on the wrist rest itself, it has some sort of texture. That is because Dell is actually using carbon fiber for this entire piece right here. And surprisingly, carbon fiber is very easy to clean off even though you have sweat marks, and sweat marks will be visible though you can just wipe it off with your finger. In terms of I/O, Dell actually included two USB Type-C with Thunderbolt support on the left side alongside with a microSD card reader. There's also a battery indicator, which you can press it to check your battery level. It's something handy to have without booting up your laptop to check the battery level. And on the right side here, you have a Norbo lock slot, a 3.5-inch audio jack, and then you also have two more USB Type-C ports without Thunderbolt 3 support. And below the display here is where your webcam will be, and this also has infrared camera for you to log in with Windows Hello. And there's also another fingerprint scanner on the power button itself, which, well, you can also log in easily. One thing I like the most about the XPS 15 is obviously watching movie while in this mode. I just like to have my content right in front of my face, and especially with this bright and very high contrast display, everything you watch on this laptop, it just feels amazing. Obviously, this beautiful display is not only good for movies, it's actually pretty good for games as well, because Dell is using a special chip from Intel. It is the i7-8705G. This series of CPUs actually come with two integrated graphics. One is the usual Intel HD graphics, and then the other one is actually an AMD Radeon RX Vega MGL. The performance is somewhere in between the GTX 1050 and 1050 Ti, and you can play most of the games in medium to high settings at playable frame rates above 30. And overall, the temperatures of this laptop, of course you are going to get some thermal throttling, but it is actually quite good because Dell has engineered a very specific cooling solution for this laptop alone, and it works very well. And I'm surprised that it didn't roast me when I use this laptop on my lap. A thin laptop like this, any dust that goes into this fan at the back here will actually choke the laptop. And luckily, Dell has made it easy for you to maintain. There's only 8 Torx screws at the back with lots of clips actually. You just lift it up and then you can directly access the fans here. And unfortunately, you cannot upgrade the RAM, but the SSD can be swapped out if you want to do so. But the SSD included here is a 512GB Toshiba NVMe SSD. It is actually pretty fast, and I actually edited quite a lot of videos and pictures using the Dell XPS 15 here, and I have to say that it actually performs very well. The fan does ramp up sometimes and it can get audible, As for the battery life of the Dell XPS 15 9575, it comes with a 71-hour battery. I've used it for 5 hours straight, and I've gone through some YouTube, lots of heavy browsing on Chrome with lots of tabs of course, some Facebook and some music listening, and overall 5 hours is not really that long. That's because I have set some software like Photoshop to use the AMD GPU all the time. And speaking of the AMD GPU, Intel is the one who is controlling what software is using which GPU. And that software alone, it works, but it is just not the best UI, not the most intuitive. It requires quite a lot of clicks just to change the GPU for specific applications. And you can charge this laptop up from 15% to 100 in about 2 hours. This XPS 15 also supports this Dell, what is this called again? Dell Premium Active Pen, and it is priced at 419 ringgit. It is an optional purchase. I would say that if you are going to draw or just use your XPS 15 to write down notes or whatever, it's actually a pretty good pen overall. It has 4096 pressure points, and overall I feel that it is just, well, like any other stylus. It is actually powered by Wacom technology. And you do have 3 buttons, 2 right here and 1 at the top, which you can customize all the gestures by installing the Dell Active Pen software. And to actually stow away this pen, this is how you do it. It's very tight, it won't move anywhere, but I do afraid that it will fall off in your bag if you have some other things in the same compartment. So in conclusion, Dell is pricing the Dell XPS 15 2-in-1 9575 at 9,289 ringgit. I would say that it is not actually that expensive if you are going to find a premium laptop like this one with such a thin form factor and such great performance that comes with it. One thing to take note is that Dell actually included one USB Type-C to USB Type-A dongle, which I hope that they would just give me one more dongle, because I'm actually, well, paying the price for it. So why not just give me 2 dongles for 1 keyboard and 1 mouse? All in all, I really like this laptop a lot, and I will be taking it wherever I go because I can do everything I want on this thing, and it is just very thin to just slip in your laptop bag and you can carry it anywhere you want. So thanks for watching everyone, and I hope you like this video. We will be back with more videos like this, and be sure to subscribe to watch our videos in the future. Bye!